Now, the very of the interesting topics that we're gonna discover, we're gonna look into that. That's the mysterious universe of ours. Because that's the universe which is made up of the particles. The particles which we talk about really mesmerizing for the people. And is it that the mysterious universe which we see has the real thing for us? Or is this just a dream of Vishnu that he was sleeping and dreaming up? And that's all the universe that he is has created as it was told in the very old mythology, the very foundation of the system. Now we cover the most important topic and the most interesting one, the Big Bang. Now we all know Big Bang as the starting point of the universe. But if we ask questions to ourselves that what happened after Big Bang, and it was there, it was written like that, you can see that what was there before the Big Bang. So the theory which says is just the possibility that after and before the Big Bang, which was possible. Due to that possibilities, we can find out what is happening after or what is happening before. And if you ask questions to ourselves that what was there before Big Bang, then we get nothing. And is it really nothing? Or is it just singularity? The singularity that was acting upon the Big Bang. And I don't know that many people can answer this question, and many people cannot. But if we ask, and we get many possibilities, and getting those possibilities create a curiosity among us because we are the type 0 civilization beings, and type 0 civilization being is not yet capable of understanding that level of concepts that was before the Big Bang, because it was just high evolutionary things which we can imagine for us in the type 0, and that imagination can also be wrong. But as the time goes on, we begin to evolve, and that evolvement takes us to the type 1 or type 2. And that at that point of time, we can also, make theories about that, and also can perhaps we got right, but not 100% because it's not an easy task to understand all those matter material substances which are really mesmerize people right there. Yeah, and that's the higher civilization things like type 5, type 6, and also the higher dimension. It was I was talking about previously. Now the galaxies. The main part about galaxies is that I have a paradox. Means I do not have. It's not mine, but it's of a scientist, the Fermi paradox. And I appreciate that guy because that guy is, that same curiosity level also engaged me in thinking that there are multiple galaxies in this one universe. And the possibilities are there also that multiverse exists. But if we talk about our universe only, but if we talk about one universe only, now we are sure that a universe contains billions and millions of galaxies. And in a galaxy, there are millions and billions of planets. So in those, if one galaxy contains this much of planets, then of course the galaxies must contain that amount, less than that, or maybe more than that, or equal to that. I don't know. But it has some planets. And if it has some planets, life must be existed there. And if they are there, if life existed, if some creatures are there, and if those creatures are advanced civilizations than us, then where are they? Now, this concept for me developed in his mind. And I also appreciate that guy because, I thought at that point of time that why are not people thinking about this? Then I got the real clue. I got the real solution. Not solution, I think so, but a person like me who is thinking of this concept. For me, I need to answer you. I wish you were alive, but you are dead. I'm sorry. Now this concept, engages me and also mesmerizes me that what happened to this? I think the Bible contains many concepts related to cosmology, like the Hindu mythology contains. And that's the thing, that the Bethlehem event, the concept of stars, meeting of stars when the Son of God was born, and three wise men have gone and reached to witness the born of the birth of the Son of God, as it was pre-planned. Was it pre-planned or was it a coincidence? Like, as Jesus said, he was the Son of God, and the God himself, I mean Vishnu, was Vishnu created this event? Was it pre-planned for the Son of God to born? I don't know, but the researches are going on, and this concept is also engaging because the birth of the Son of God is also a divine moment, and in that divine moment, you can also say yourself to yes, it is a pre-planned. But I think, in the viewpoint of atheists, I can say that they will say it's just a coincidence and it's just mythology. It's not true. But the fact is that, and the real point to discuss that what is true. You explain me, Vash? You explain me, please. What is true? The true can be laid out to many possibilities out there, and I think so. It is right there. And with this, I can merely end my discussion, topic of discussions. But you know what? I think we need to research more, and humans need to evolve more, control on their emotions, because emotions are sometimes harmful for the humans. So I don't want to say more about this, but I want to say just one thing: let's evolve.